Right now I am standing outside Guwahati Medical College Hospital where a second year PG student who was attending the OPD services regularly ever since the OPD services resumed has been tested positive last evening. Remember, last evening 4 results came in, and among them were one of the second year PG student who has now been tested positive. He was residing at the new paying cabin facility where doctors who are doing their services regularly, who are attending to the patients regularly, have been staying. However, it has been also learned from sources at the Guwahati Medical College Hospital that he was not attending to any COVID-19 patient. However, the very fact that he was attending the OPD services regularly has created a panic in the hospital, and now after the second year PG student has been tested positive, OPD services has once again been suspended at the Guwahati Medical College Hospital. The OPD services were resumed after all the COVID-19 patients who were undergoing treatment here at the Guwahati Medical College Hospital were discharged. But after the second year PG student, the doctor who has now been tested positive, there is a atmosphere of panic not only in the hospital but also in the hostel, in the PG hostels where he was visiting regularly to have his breakfast, lunch and dinner. The only thing that he was residing at the hospital premises itself while attending the patients, and that he was on duty for the last several weeks ever since the OPD services resumed, has created an atmosphere of panic now at the Guwahati Medical College Hospital. Sources have also told us that the doctor reportedly came into contact regularly with around 100 staffs of the Guwahati Medical College Hospital, and it has been learned that today samples of around 100 doctors and staffs will be collected, and those samples will be sent for COVID-19 test.
We are in the third phase of the lockdown, and I'm in the national capital. Right now I'm in Netaji Nagar of the national capital, and you can see right now I'm inside a bus. This bus is full of migrants who are being sent back to their hometowns in Bihar. You can see that how they are sitting. The authorities have made sure that the social distancing norms are being followed. They have left this, everybody is sitting on an alternate seat. You can see this, the bus is entirely filled. They have even separated the partition of the driver and the migrants here. So they're all very happy as they're leaving, as they've been stranded for past 1 month, and they're leaving to their hometown after a long wait of 1 month. भैया आप कितने दिन से दिल्ली में फंसे?
मैडम जी 1.5 महीने से यहाँ पे हूँ।
अच्छा, तो आज आप घर वापस जा रहे हैं? कहाँ से हैं आप?
ये लरेना स्कूल से।
अच्छा, नहीं आप आपका घर कहाँ है? गांव कहाँ है?
बिहार
में कहाँ से?
खगड़िया।
So ऐसे like these migrants, they are sitting here. They've been stranded in Delhi for past 1 month, but now with the help of local administration, I am in one bus. There are 2 more buses full of migrants in the South District Administration area. This entire thing has been monitored by the officer here. We'll speak to him. Sir, how many migrants are we sending today?
From our districts, we in Netaji Nagar, we have arranged around 100 of our migrants. They will be moving in slots. Like yesterday, we had a train to MP. Today, we are going to move them to Bihar.
So this is how logistically and in a very synchronized manner the New Delhi district administration is sending these migrants to their home back, so that now they can live in peace, as India will remain in lockdown for some time now, and the further measures are yet to be taken. Until then, these people need to be sent back to their home.